Good morning, dear students. So, our fourth chapter of history is going on, tribal, the goose, and the vision of a golden age. So, how much chapter is covered? Based on that, we are going to cover four questions today from first to four. So, first question is here, fill in the blanks. So, you can see the British describe the tribal people as dash. They were saying they are savage, they are wild, they are uncivilized. Okay, so wild and savage is the answer. The method of sowing seeds in Zoom cultivation was known as what we have done in the starting when we have the talk about how did tribal groups live. They were broadcasting the seeds. So an answer is broadcasting, right? Next is about the tribal chief got dash titles in central India under the British and land settlements. Right? So when we have done the topic how did colonial rule affect tribal lives? What happened there? British totally changed whatever whatever the tribal people enjoying their rights. What they these rights can be economic rights or administrative right. Okay, they were having their own rights, but after their arrival the tribal had to obey whatever rules had been made by the Britishers. They had to follow all those rules. So what will be the answer? There will be answer, the tribal chief got land titles, right? Next is about tribal went to work in the dash of Assam and the dash. Yes, where have they gone? Assam is what is the specialization of Assam? Tea, tea plantations. So answer will be tea plantation of Assam and coal mines in Bihar. Means when their rights has been taken away from the tribals, so they had to go here or there for their survival and also that's why they joined these kinds of work. Okay, next is about true or false. Zoom cultivators plow the land and sow seeds. No, they don't plow the land. First they cut the tree. Okay, then they because they were Zoom cultivators, right? So Zoom cultivator is different. Okay, cultivation is different than the normal. So it is false. Next, cocoons were brought from the Santals and sold by the traders at 5 times the purchase price. Yes, okay. So they were because Britishers were making much and much profits. That's why they were doing so, right? Birsa urged his followers to purify themselves, give up drinking liquor, and stop believing in witchcraft and sorcery. We will do it next time later on because these two topics has not done. Next, British wanted to preserve the tribal way of life. No, in no any way. They wanted to one type of destroy it. Okay, because whatever bans or whatever the new policies British government started, they were totally against the tribals and all. Okay, so third question is here, what problem did shifting cultivator face under British rule? Many problems they had to face. Okay, whatever their economic right, administrative right, they have taken away from the these all rights taken away from the tribal people. Okay, shifting cultivation also stopped. Third point, the tribal were not allowed to use whatever forest produced by their own. They cannot move here or there freely without the permission of Britishers and all. Everything was total under control the Britishers. Okay, so these all problem had to face by the you know tribal people. Okay, so next question is about how did how did the powers of tribal chiefs change under colonial rule? Yes, it was changed. Okay, we all know that when we have discussed about how did colonial rule affect tribal. This is from that part. Okay, so under British rule, whatever functions and powers of the tribal chiefs totally changed. Okay, so they were allowed to keep their land title over a cluster of a village and rent out lands and all. Okay, so but they lost whatever their administrative powers they were having initially. All these powers were lost. Okay, and they were forced to follow whatever rules has been made, policies had been made by the britishers only. Okay, so we can say that they also had to pay, tribute to the britishers and all, and discipline the tribal group on behalf of the British, right? They lost the authority, whatever they were enjoying initially when the Britishers had not entered to the forest and all, because Britishers had made so many, forest departments and all, where Gonds and Santhalas were, and other Zoom cultivator or tribal people were suffering. So all these points are regarding what kind of changes were taken place after the arrival of the uh, uh, colonial rule or British rule, okay, in the forest. And also all these points we have to write in this answer, right? So the rest of the topic we will start from tomorrow. So till then, keep learning and take care.